Hi, Amy Driscoll here. This is a tutorial on trial classes. So when you open your booking page, you will see like a T1, T2, M1, M2, or even C1, C2. T means trial, M means main class, and C is the old curriculum. You may see this from time to time. So when you open your trial class, you will see an info button. This has information about the students, such as what their computer skills are and if they have taken the computer placement test. If there is a result for this placement test, you will start at that level. Sometimes you'll find that parents have helped the students and their abilities are lower than what the test says. So when you start, you will find what level they are throughout your trial. When you open the trial class and you click through a couple of times, there is information at the bottom of the screen. When I started, I abbreviated this information and put it where I could glance at it during class and find where the student was. It will say things such as student knows CVC words or blend words, or a student can speak in full sentences. This helps you to adjust up and down throughout the trial on where the student is. So you will go through and start with the class. If you find that they are a higher level, for instance, you will go and open the class just as you did when you started class and find that file. Say the student is a level 3 unit 1. You'll go through and click and find that class. What you don't want to do is not use that time to interact with your student. Don't leave dead time. Don't leave it where your student is looking at you going and finding the file. Engage with them. You can't see them. You're finding the file, but they can see you. Then you will click through until you get to the activities on the slides. You don't want to repeat the hello song, for instance, or the warm-up activities again. Just continue on as you were teaching and try to pace yourself. These classes are can be fairly simple, so it can really like speed through very quickly if you don't pace yourself. Also, you need to familiarize yourself with the different trial classes. There are many levels, so go through, click through those classes, look at all of them, and become familiar with the lesson. You will find that this will make it much easier over time, and as you are experienced, these trial classes will become much easier. So just go through those, be familiar, and work through learning how to click through and navigate those classes, and you will have all of this down. I know you can do it. Thank you for joining me.